Ethiopia's Oromo community has staged their Thanksgiving celebrations known as Irecha. Members of the largest tribe in Eastern Africa, drawn from Ethiopia and the diaspora, attended the fete that was relatively peaceful compared to last year's. CGTN's Grim Chala attended the function and brings us the details.
Bishoftu, a small town of lakes located some 30 kilometers outside of Addis Ababa, has brought together an estimated 5 million Oromos for the year's Grand Irecha celebrations. As it's enshrined in their culture, people of Oromo from different walks of lives, both from within the country and abroad, gathered for this glorious Thanksgiving festival.
We pray that our holiday brings prosperity and happiness for all of us.
The Irecha celebration is an exciting festival for anyone. Oromo people have a colorful culture and heritage. When we see all of the people gathered for just one purpose, it makes one so excited.
Usually, the formal celebrations of Irecha here in Bishoftu starts with Abagadas, also known as Gada Father's blessings. They bless the Oromo and the country as a whole for more health, wealth, and above all, for peace, love, and unity. Last year, this Irecha festival has seen death due to a stampede, and large anti-government protests were also witnessed. This year too, we have seen people protesting, demanding more political and economic rights for people of Oromo. We have seen no security forces interfering, especially at the main event. All in all, this festival, which is part of UNESCO's registered Gada system, has displayed colorful, mesmerizing and peaceful Thanksgiving gathering by the people of Oromo. Grumjala CGTN at the Irecha celebrations in Bishoftu, Ethiopia.